United Cisco Networking Academy is enhancing educational development in schools in Nigeria through the use of information communication technology to build capacity among students and teachers. Toyin Olatayo is the director.
The ICT sector in Nigeria has actually grown from what it used to be some years ago. I mean, today we can say that a lot of people are now conscious of the need to embrace ICT and to use ICT to drive growth and development in their business. Like for instance now, before the COVID-19, people were used to having physical meetings, physical lectures and the rest of them. But today, every education institution has embraced online learning, digital learning. Companies no longer spend money on traveling around through the use of virtual collaborating tools. You can hold your meetings with your staff from anywhere you are. And today, a lot of companies have also embraced what you call remote working, where people can work remotely. This was not like that some 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago. But today, this has happened. And what I can also say is that more people, we have more professionals now in ICT sector. Nigerians are moving beyond consumers of technology to now producers of technology. So I can say that the ICT sector in Nigeria has really grown. The recent development is, let me just point out one, is the cybersecurity awareness. You know, with so many billions of devices on the internet, and with more people using data, connecting online, educational institutions are connecting online. So people have come to realize that there's a need for them to stay safe in the cyberspace. And that's why one of the reasons 2 years ago, we launched a campaign called Staying Safe in the Cyberspace. Because we know that if people do not know what to do, how to keep safe, they will become victims of hackers. So I would say that recent development is the fact that people are now aware of their existence in the cyberspace.
Cisco Networking Academy is an innovative education initiative that delivers information and communications technology skills to improve career and economic opportunities around the world. Yetunde Fashewu is General Manager, E-Learning and Business Development.
United Cisco is an organization that was established to create impact in the educational sector. United Integrated is the parent organization, while United Cisco is the brand. Now, United Cisco as a brand, what we have done is to go ahead and partner with the world brand Cisco to offer trainings in different IT courses, ranging from the Internet of Things to Cybersecurity to CCNA and so many other IT trainings. And we have also gone ahead to partner with the Federal Ministry of Education to ensure that no child is left behind in IT, right? So right now we are currently in well over 70 locations nationwide across 6 geopolitical regions. We know that everything about technology everything is going to be going into technology. Every line of business, every aspect of business is going into technology. If you don't have a basic knowledge about technology, you're going to be left behind. So right now, we are grooming the future of tomorrow in ensuring that they gain the skills and the capacity in terms of IT. Digital Switch is an indigenous technology services provider. And Digital Switch was incorporated to provide solutions, cost-effective and user-friendly solutions that range from custom enterprise development solutions down to e-learning solutions. Also have the CRM solutions, we have the e-learning portals, everything as regards IT. We also provide hardware equipment to organizations. So by leveraging on the partnerships that we have been able to garner over a span of 10 years from Unitis, we are able to ensure that we provide the most cost-effective pricing to our clients, more especially the large corporate organizations. Okay, so the vision of Digital Switch is to become the leading brand in providing innovative solutions, thereby helping our clients to increase capacity and improve on the productivity with which they provide services to their clients. The core values on which we have founded Digital Switch are service, integrity, excellence, and most importantly, innovation. We offer quite a lot of things, services and solutions at Digital Switch. And some of these solutions are enterprise resource planning solutions. We also offer customer relationship management solutions, which are also known as CRM solutions. We offer portal management for educational institutions and e-learning platforms as well. Take for example, we have the SMS, which is a school management portal, which helps the school administration to make administration easier in their schools. And we also have what we call the learning management system. The learning management system helps schools and organizations to be able to take on students even outside their geographical location. So they're able to teach online courses. We also do website management, revamp of websites. And one of the unique offerings that we bring on board is based on the fact that we've been able to leverage on the relationship with United Cisco, who happens to be our sister company. We have been training our students in the Internet of Things. So we have the capacity to create prototypes for organizations based on their need.
Today, it is a network of more than 15,000 academies in more than 162 countries with a curriculum taught in 9 different languages. Currently, thousands of students participate in academies operating in high schools, colleges, universities, technical schools, community-based organizations, and other educational programs around the world. Austin Ijoma is the Deputy General Manager, Academy and Business Development.
We are an edutech company, and some of the services we render include training and certification program. We are also into deployment of digital classrooms, IT consultancy, and establishment of innovation hubs. Now we are a premium partner to Cisco, and you know that Cisco is a global brand, and we leverage on the Cisco curriculum for our training and certification program. And in terms of our uniqueness, we are unique in terms of our philosophy and our methodology. And what do I mean by that? Our philosophy, we have what we call the Digital Inclusion Program. And what that program is all about is to ensure that no Nigerian child is denied the benefits of ICT due to their location, gender, religion, or disability. So what that program does is to ensure that ICT is available, it is accessible, and it is affordable. So essentially, we make our program to be accessible, available, and affordable to every Nigerian child. Now, also in terms of our methodology, we take our services to the final consumer. We take our services to the school. We don't wait for our students to come to us. We take our services to the students, we take it to the educational institutions, and we build capacity in them where they are.